Welcome to Life Spice Journey. I am T, and I'm coming to you from JJ's Bar and Grill. In the back of the Bar and Grill, we're right here near the ocean, and this bird just popped up on a tree branch. So, guys, I wanted to share this interesting moment with you. What kind of bird is that? Earl- Earlier, we had a yellow bird in the tree.
Yeah, I remember it there.
Where?
Right behind that same tree right there.
Uh, Listen to the bird, guys. There's a hummingbird behind the tree, but I can't see it right now. I guess he's suckling on the flowers. Oh, I see him over there. Oh, there's all sorts of bird species in this town, guys. I wish you were here. Maybe someday you can come and visit. There he goes. The bird flew away. Guys, okay. I'm going to end this video right here. We had a stingray, but he swam away. I didn't have time to record him. But anyways, guys, until our next upload, one interesting video at a time. See you later. Bye.